Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up our VPN. If you are not on campus, you need to connect to the VPN first before you can connect to the DeepSense platform. You can use the Dalhousie VPN, which you can find at vpn.its.dal.ca. You will need to log in with your NetID in order to access the software installer. However, we have found this can be slower and less reliable. When you are onboarded with DeepSense, you'll be asked if you require the use of our VPN. If you haven't, just send an email to support@deepsense.ca. We'll send you an email with the install files as well as the signature password. You will only need this password once at the time of install. For Windows computers, we have confirmed this works on Windows 10. If your operating system is older than that, it may not work. Now, I have the email from DeepSense with instructions open here. We'll need two files for this, and they're going to be called your username.p12, which I will save to desktop. And the other one is called Windows _ your username.ps1. So you'll notice in the instructions that our email server doesn't allow us to send these script files, so we have to rename them .txt. So now we'll just remove the .txt and confirm that's what we want. Now, in order to install the VPN, we need to open a Windows PowerShell, but we need it in administrator mode. So we right-click on it and click Run as Administrator. And now we navigate to the directory where these two files exist. And then we run this command that's in the email. Now, of course, it'll have your username, so we'll have to go over here, and in my case, change it to Newport. And then we run, and it's going to ask us for the password, which is also in the email. Now, you'll notice this error came up, but it still worked. I believe this error is here because I've already installed the VPN on this computer, but I had to uninstall it to record this tutorial. So once it is installed, how do we connect? So we can open our settings, go to Network and Internet. On the left here, you'll see VPN. And so this Algo VPN is the one we just installed. So I can connect, and it is now showing me as connected. The other way to connect or disconnect is to mouse over this network button in your taskbar. And again, it also shows up as the Algo. You can connect or disconnect from here. And that is all you need to know about how to install the VPN on Windows.